This southern exposure home is draped with natural light and is bright and cheery inside. The floor plan flows seamlessly and the upper and lower areas allow you to entertain dozens of guests in style and comfort. The kitchen and bathrooms have been beautifully remodeled and tie in with the D and #Z9, core and ambience. There are multiple exotic fruit trees on the property including Surinam Cherry, Jaboticaba, fig, Loquat, hand of Buddha, and more. The home was being sold tastefully furnished and is in immaculate condition. There is a state-of-the-art $27,000 plus solar panel electric system on the metal roof that results in no electric bill. There is a large 28x14 salt water pool with a huge deck and lounge area. A new panoramic pool cage adds to the outdoor experience. Brand new hot water heater, air conditioner new in 2019, pool pump new in 2020. This home is simply not your typical Marco Island cookie cutter home and offers something very special. There is a newer 50 dock and you are a short walk away from Residence Beach.